Okay. Just open a new project or new model file, and we have to proceed with the third option. And display unit will be metric SI. Steel section database will be Indian. Steel design code will be IS 800 2000. Concrete design code will be IS 456 2000. With all of this, let's say simply okay. Now, here the grid lines, all the grid lines in X direction, the label we have given as alphabetical label A, B, C, D, and all the grid lines which is running along the Y direction, we have given the label as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Now go back to your ETABS and tell me how many grid lines in X direction. Tell me fast.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 19 it is. It is 19. Okay. Go back to your ETABS. In X direction, 19 grids are. Just put 19. In Y direction, how many grids are?
10.
10 grids are there. Okay. In Y direction, 10 grids are there. It is a uniform grid system or non-uniform grid system?
None.
Non-uniform.
Obviously it will be non-uniform grid system. So
Center.
let whatever the spacings are actually present here, let it to be. Anyhow, we need to go to custom, go to edit grid data, and here we have to proceed with the display grid data as spacing option. Check this now. In X direction, what is the spacing between A to B in reference of A? Hello.
1.05 meter.
1.05. Next 1.7. Next 1. It is 1. Next it is 1.66. 1.66. Next it is 2.39. It is 2.39. Next what next? 1.24. 2.8. 1.24. 2.8. What next? 1.61. 1.82. 1.61, 1.82. Then again 1.82, 1.82, 1.61, 2.8, 1.24, 2.8, 1.24, 2.8, 1.24, 2.39, 1.66, 2.39, 1.36, 2.39, 1.66. It is 1.66, not 1.36. 1.66, 1.7, 1.7. And 1.05. Is it right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So all the grid spacing we have taken for the X direction. Now come to the Y direction. In Y direction, 1 to 2 it is 3.57. 1 to 2 it is what? 3.57. Second, 0.75. 0.75. Second, 2.79, 2.79, 1.95, 1.95, 1.66, 1.57, 1.66, 1.57, 1.7, 1.86, 1.7, 1.86, 1.88, 1.88. Is that all clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the grid bubble size as 1000. Okay, grid color, some dark color you should take. Let's say okay. Let's say okay. This is all done. Now over height definition. How many number of levels will be there? Any idea?
Welcome you all in ISO certified live training program, ETABS, RCDC and Excel that makes you a professional structural engineer. In this training program, you will learn everything about ETABS and RCDC from basic to advanced, real life project of medium rise structure from architecture plan to final design sheet, real life project of high rise structure with all advanced topics, design of structural elements using advanced Excel sheets. Have a look over the features of this training. Daily live classes conducted by expert for 1.5 hours. Recording of every session with lifetime access. Can interact with expert anytime, 24/7. Exposure to real practice. ISO certification of training completion. It's 5-star rated training program. Till now more than 1,000 participants have benefited from this training program. Now you are the next.